This video will guide you through an overview of the SL2100. The SL2100 system consists of a chassis unit with a dedicated slot for the CPU card and 4 universal slots for interface cards. Each universal slot supports an extension interface card, optional. Each extension interface card can have a trunk interface daughter card mounted. The chassis unit is ventilation cooled and can be wall mounted or rack mounted with the optional rack mount shelf. Up to 3 chassis units can be connected together to provide a total of 12 universal slots. Interface cards are available for analog and ISDN trunks, proprietary SL2100 terminals and analog telephones. SIP trunks and IP terminals are supported without the need for additional system hardware, as 8 VoIP resources are built into the CPU card. VoIP resources can be expanded to 16 by adding the optional VoIP DB card and further to 128 with licenses. In-mail voicemail is also available, either using the built-in storage of the CPU C1A or by adding the optional SD card. The built-in in-mail with the CPU C1A card provides 4 channels and 2 hours of storage. This can be expanded to 15-hour or 120-hour storage by adding the SD card to the CPU. The CPU C1 requires either the SD-VMS or SD-VML card installed to provide in-mail voicemail. Both CPUs have built-in VRS with 4 channels and 100 messages with 2 hours message storage. The system can be easily modified using SL2100 PC Pro, which has quick installation wizards for the majority of system settings. The slots are labelled S0 to S4 on the front of the chassis. Slot S0 has the CPU card installed. Slots S1 to S4 are universal slots for any interface card. Slot 4 does not support digital extensions. A 082UB1, 308UA1 or 008UC1 card can be installed, but will only support analog extensions. Any trunk daughter card is supported in slot 4. There are 4 universal slots available. Each slot supports 1 trunk card. Depending on the combination of cards installed, the maximum capacity of analog trunks is 12, or ISDN BRI trunks is 16. When the ISDN PRI card is installed, the maximum capacity of analog trunks is 9, or ISDN BRI trunks is 12, as the PRI card uses 1 slot. The maximum capacity of SIP trunks is 64. This is not affected by the installation of any other trunk interface card. In a single chassis configuration, the maximum number of multi-line telephone ports is 24, and the maximum number of single-line telephone ports is 32. When the system is increased to 2 chassis, this increases to 48 multi-line telephone ports and 64 single-line telephone ports. In a full 3 chassis configuration, the maximum number of multi-line telephone ports is 72, and the maximum number of single-line telephone ports is 96. If IP terminals are to be used, then the total number of IP terminals on the system is 112, regardless of the number of chassis the system has. However, if 112 IP terminals are in use, then the maximum number of multi-line telephone or single-line telephone ports is 16. This can be a mixture of multi-line or single-line, but the maximum of 16 still stands regardless of the type of ports being used. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in providing an overview of the SL2100 system. There are other quick installation videos available on our YouTube channel.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.